Karbiang Autonomous Council Revenue Sai Kamatum Duar Amla Constituency Ahoy Arong Along Kahumuri Dam Kajirunga National Park along le Ajam ke Pathe Alampen Baguria along Kachisong Iam Barim Bidasing Rong Pila Penjir Honan Selong Kacitudun Arat Mahamaya BJP along Kidun Kardom ada berta long pen liberta thambang thare harmony be non bertang ton pen arjuik thang Karbiang Autonomous Council Revenue Sai Campaign Pai Thongkebra ACR ni Duar Amla Constituency ke parlo Karbiang long lapen Murigao District ahoy along Humri Dam Pusi Card News along berta nang pale Karbiang long lapen Murigao District ahoy Arong Tharwe Abi Jakuta Arong Borkok Boksong Hawar Karbiang Autonomous Council Revenue Sai Cam Atung ka Humri Dam pen Karbiang long along le kacerai komji aphan ahoy along kido pathir nangji pusi Revenue Asai Cam IEM Rupsing Teron Rong asoraphan pingkhat tekang Alang likido ke pathir ji atumaphan longle apata ki PG alamta lamthe checha ahoy ka Humri Dam ahut MAC Prabhat Chandra Taro ARO Nilutpol Ronghang VDC Chairman Dilip Milik Lapen Mondol SK Atum Chitong Dun Kajirunga National Park Awai Kang Tipathe ji along Karbiang long along leke parlo long le Lasuke Kamke alang Baguria long Chepaklang Kajirunga National Park Extension Protest Committee pensi ki kamki asai pado alang litum chidonun thekthelu alam Chepaklang pen Karbiang long along le Kajirunga National Park Awai Kang Tipathe along chidonun thekthelu pusi sarkar aphan pachini Iam Barim Bidasing Rong Pila Penjir Honan Selong Kacherabdun Arat Non Hejong Mahamaya Constituency BJP along Chingbedun Mahamaya Constituency Asong Japumati Iam Barim Bidasing Rong Pi Jirhonan Selong Kachelangdun Arat Non Hejong MAC Lunsing Teron along Chingbedun Constituency along Kido HSDC Klembang Phatum BJP along Kidun Angthek MAC Teron Angno Chepaklangdun Namnalong support hon bertamo Don Poniksena
Claret Beauty Parlor Folong Kichengsi Sopinso Lapen Swarlo Pan Kipamaradim Prabjin Pen Ingpupon Kangpu Ponji Lake Pai Chiklunipai Ingora Nerkep Army Ladak Nang Litum Long Ikji Lake Facial, Hair Spa, Hair Straightening, Hair Cutting, Shaving, Hair Curly, Tattoo, Body Spa, Pedicure, Lapet, Medicare, Hayu Henlo Claret Beauty Parlor Difu Main Market Road, Bharati Lodge near Iron Bridge Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. 2 Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji kang sirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dihina mupi putu bertalong bang tulo. KSA dan nagat aropen dongka cing tu patu aklam long hiniang deng. Karbi Premier League kepatu pangceng lo pusi karniu salong bertanang pale. Keceng siar ni kecepatan semilang sol apen denda kat Jirsong FC ang bongsi patu. Hin aterang bot pumni cet hapsi. Kirem keha cepatini ni pensi kecepatan pajud. Ada berita bang lepas ikang tuan poniglo dumi thang me kurvan tu.